Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. It's Iman Moise. My roll number is EP177010. My main topic is radial arm maze and my subtopic is reference memory. So first start with the definition of memory. Memory is the faculty of the brain by which data or information is encoded, stored when needed. In simple words, memory is the power to retain and recall information and past experience. The word memory applies to both the individual fact and experience you remember as well as the brain ability to contain it all. Now move to next slide. Reference memory. Reference memory is a long-term memory and a special task it mimics to aspect of episodic memory. One of the tasks most frequently used to assess spatial reference memory in the red is the Morris Water maze. Now as you can see here, I mention an example of pigeon present with both a green and red dish is rewarded with the food pellet for picking the green one. If the green dish remains the correct choice across all trials in which the two objects are present, the pigeon relies on reference memory to retain this information and choose the correct dish. Reference memory. Several authors have used the radial maze apparatus to assess the rodent reference memory's ability to incrementally learn during several repetitive trials the association between a distant location in space and the location of a food reward. In the radial maze, this can be achieved by exposing rat or mice to tasks where only certain arms of the maze are beaten from trial to trial, and where the rat must remember this invariable location during repeated trials. In this figure, as you can see that there are different trials and rewards are placed on different arms. When the rat only visits the arm of the maze which contains the reward, is known as reference memory. The failure to do so will result in reference memory error. Studies have found that Ovian hormone modulated reference memory differently at acquisition, consolidation, and retrieval. Studies have shown that elevated level of estradiol impairing acquisition of the escape response in the Morris Water maze, and progesterone also seem to have an impairing effect on acquisitions. Gonadal hormones appear to have detrimental effect on acquisitions in reference memory. Research found that post-training injection of estrogen enhanced the consolidation and retention of the Morris Water maze. Other studies have found the complete opposite with both endogenous and exogenous sex steroid hormone. Role of hippocampus. Hippocampus play important role in consolidation of information from short-term memory into long-term memory. Hippocampus help human process and retrieve two kinds of memory: declarative memory and spatial relationship memory. Declarative related to facts and events. Example, learning how to memorize speeches or line in a play. Spatial relationship memory involving pathway or routes. Example, when a cab driver learned a route through a city. Long-term memory pathway. In research article, a research of signaling pathway of long-term memory has been done on cricket. In CMP, investigated whether CMP signaling is necessary for long-term memory formation in the cricket. Cricket were each injected with inhibitor of key enzyme of CMP signaling into the hemolymph power to multiply trial condition. Use 2 to 5 deoxyadenosine as an adenyl cyclase inhibitor in a retention test. First day after training, all of the groups of cricket failed to exhibit increased preference to the condition order in comparison to that before conditioning. On the other hand, they showed normal score of 30-minute memory retention similar to the control group that had received injection of cricket saline. Observation indicate that these drugs fully impair long-term memory formation but have no effect on short-term memory. Diseases. Dementia can cause both short and long-term memory loss, especially in older adults. While there are no cure for dementia, there are medications that can help reduce symptoms. Different types of dementia include: number 1, Alzheimer's disease. Cause the progressive impairment of memory, comprehension, language, reasoning, judgment, and attention. Short-term memory loss is the most common first symptom. After that, memory loss including long-term memory also increase and other symptoms start to appear. Lewy body dementia caused by abnormal deposit of a protein called alpha-synuclein in the brain. These deposits affect brain chemistry, which affect movement, thinking, and behavior. It usually starts around age 50 or older. Lewy body dementia does cause memory problem in later stages, but movement problems are usually the first symptom. Frontotemporal dementia is more likely to be diagnosed in younger people than other forms of dementia. Personality and mood changes are usually the first symptom, followed by language issue and memory loss. Vascular dementia caused by stroke and other vascular brain injury. It has the same risk factor as cardiovascular problems such as high blood pressure. Treatment for long-term memory loss depend on the underlying causes. For example, if your memory loss is caused by a medication, your doctor will switch you to another one. If your memory loss is caused by a treatable illness, your doctor can treat that illness. Some causes of long-term memory loss might require surgery. For example, you might have a brain tumor removed with surgery or have a structural abnormality of the brain that requires correction. There is no cure for Alzheimer's disease, but there are medications that can help reduce your symptoms. There are some medication for Alzheimer's disease. Cholinesterase inhibitor and partial and methyl D-aspartate antagonists are the two classes of medication approved to treat Alzheimer's disease. Two types of cholinesterase inhibitor can be used for mild to moderate Alzheimer's, while another type can be used at any stage. And methyl D-aspartate antagonists are generally used in later stage. These drugs can be beneficial for some people but not for everyone. There are also things you can do at home to help memory loss. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, learning new things, and a healthy sleep schedule have all been shown to help reduce memory loss. That's all. Thank you so much.